So as I'm sure you guys know, I was extremely happy to hit that 415 deadlift today. That's my all-time PR. But yeah, after that, I just kind of moved on to some accessory work. Here I'm doing lat pull downs, just really focusing on the squeezing and contraction of my lats. So that felt pretty good. Moved on to some barbell rows here. Didn't go too heavy. I did one plate and then I did two plates. Felt pretty good, just kind of kept going with the flow of the workout. But yeah, guys, I hope you enjoyed the video.
I
And
tried
a few
so
more things here, so
hard
just enjoy the rest.
and got so far, but in the end, it doesn't even matter. I had to fall to lose it all, but in the end, it doesn't even matter.